Hi guys, it's Mrs. Cook, and I have my friend here, Chicken, with me. He's gonna read a story with me for you today. It's called I Am a Narwhal. I Am a Narwhal, and it is by Mallory C. Lure and illustrated by Joey Chap. Title page. I am not a unicorn. I am not a fish. I'm a narwhal. I look magical, but I'm really just kind of a whale. My closest relatives are the beluga whale, the dolphin, and the porpoise. I live in the cold Arctic waters with my pod or family. Did you catch the collective noun there? I can dive very deep and hold my breath under the ice for a long time. In the spring, narwhals swim to warmer bays. This is called migration. Once there, we like to lie on the water's surface and rest. This is called logging. Long ago, when narwhal horns were found on the beach, people thought they were magical unicorn horns. Wouldn't you? My horn is actually a big front tooth or tusk. It grows in a spiral right through my upper lip. It helps me taste the salt in the water and find the right places to hunt. Boy narwhals are usually the ones with tusks, but some girls have them too. Because I'm a narwhal, I can stun a tasty codfish or squid with my tusk, then suck the meal into my mouth. I communicate with clicking and knocking sounds. Humans don't know what I'm saying, but my friends and family do. I might not be a unicorn, but I am magical in my own way. Because I'm a narwhal. So I hope you guys enjoyed that here with my friend Chicken. Say hi, Chicken. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.